Wisehub presents. These 5 clever psychological ploys and gimmicks should be known to you. The psychological strategies listed below will help you perform better at work, in social settings, and in general. Successful people have a history of consistently using these psychological techniques. In many facets of your daily life, they will present opportunities for you to gain significant advantages and more control over possible outcomes. Learn how to use these clever psychological techniques to boost your self-confidence at work, school, and play. Number 1. Call people by their name. Because we feel important when someone uses our name, it is very important to remember names. As a result, addressing people by name can instantly win their favor and foster a relationship of friendship and trust. As challenging as it may seem, if you can develop the habit of using someone's name after meeting them as well as remembering it when you first meet them, they'll find you charming and wonderful in the subsequent conversation. Number 2. The power of touch. Touch is a potent tool that aids in improving emotional comprehension. In times of joy, laughter, or excitement, touching someone's knees or shoulders forges an emotional and physical bond. Positive touch reinforces these qualities. This will help you demonstrate the sincerity of your words, communicate the right feelings, and win the respect of others. Number 3. Make others repeat jokes. When a joke needs to be repeated, it usually loses its humor. And you can take advantage of this. When someone makes fun of you, pretend you didn't hear the joke correctly. Request a repeat from them. Once they've completed the task several times, the humor has worn off. You could also pretend that you weren't hired as an alternative. Ask them to elaborate on what makes it so amusing. It's worse to have to repeat the joke than to have to explain it. Number 4. Ask for help the right way. We all enjoy having things done for us, whether we actually need the help or it's just because we're lazy. Nobody really likes an asshole in platonic relationships, according to social dynamics. Therefore, always begin a request for assistance with, "I need your help." Most of the time, people will comply with your request. And will assist you mainly because nobody wants to feel bad about not helping someone. Additionally, helping others feels good. Number 5. Give validation. Most of our actions are a result of our desire for approval. Giving people what they want is the best way to win their favor. Naturally, the next time you're speaking with someone and they say something that's particularly significant to them, take their words and rephrase them in your own words. They will perceive you as someone who listens well and is interested as a result. They feel important and valued as a result. And that serves as proof in and of itself. Now that you know some of these psychological tricks, do keep in mind that the purpose of these is not necessarily to manipulate people. Rather, it's to help you understand when and where you and others are most vulnerable psychologically. What kind of psychology tricks do you use? What seems to work best for you? Leave your thoughts below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends.